Welcome to Digits. I'm Steve Russolillo. Virtual currency Coinye has gone from chat room joke to internet sensation to a legal headache. Lawyers for Kanye West filed cease and desist papers against the 7 anonymous coders behind Coinye, arguing trademark infringement. WSJ's Danny Yadron joins us from San Francisco. Danny, how's it going?
Well, how about you?
Good. So this is quite an interesting one here. Tell us exactly what's going on right now.
You've heard of Bitcoin, but what we've seen over the past year to 6 months is just a proliferation of other virtual currencies, and they range from, slight technical tweaks, such as things like Litecoin or whatnot, or you have things like BBQ coin or Dogecoin, or as we wrote about today, Coinye, which was actually created at first as a chat room joke.
And you can see an image right there depicting Kanye's image right there. So this thing went from a chat room joke, but it kind of took off pretty quickly, right?
Yeah, I mean, it started, I'm told, because they were sort of musing about, all right, there are so many coins out there now. There's a coin for everything. What else could we do? And they're bouncing names back and forth, and all of a sudden they have Coinye West. And it really just took off online. They never gave their actual names involved. Even the cease and desist papers are addressed to coinyewest@gmail.com with no real name given.
So now basically Kanye and Kanye's lawyers are getting involved here, and they're saying, wait a minute, you can't be using our name behind this. They're arguing trademark infringement right now. So what's next now? What's the next step?
The coders say they are coming out with Coinye nonetheless tonight, 10 o'clock East Coast time, and they're taking a very brash, self-assured attitude about it. Somewhat in the manner you'd imagine Mr. West would if he was in a similar situation. And then, we'll see what happens next. I mean, with any of these, it matters whether or not it catches on. There was a time right before Christmas where Dogecoin, which is, to be honest, I'm still not entirely sure what it is, but it's based off of a picture of a dog that became very popular on the internet. I think its market cap, it was the had the 7th largest market cap of any virtual currency for a brief window in mid-December.
Which is just astonishing, and I mean, it just shows the power, how quickly these things can just get so popular. So with this Coinye coin, I guess, as you said, they're going to be releasing it tonight, right? I mean, I guess is the sky the limit for what could happen here, no matter these, cease and desist papers that are out right now?
Well, it really matters, how far these coders are willing to go. The cease and desist papers, they say you can't use Coinye West, you can't use any variation on Coinye West, including just Coinye, which is what the coders are attempting. They've moved their website to an Indian domain name, but we'll see if that actually does anything. But from the sound of this legal note, this was not a funny joke to Mr. West's lawyers.
Well, that was my next question: is why does Kanye even care about something like this right now?
You could argue it's a simple case of brand protection, and again, from the legal document we were given yesterday, it's not even clear if Mr. West himself knows about this. This could be a case of just his lawyer, doing standard brand management type things. It really did take off. There were articles all around the internet saying, this is the latest cryptocurrency. It featured a cartoon image of Kanye West. And if nothing else, why have that out there if you're not in control of it?
Right, exactly. All right, Danny Yadron from San Francisco, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And I'm Steve Russolillo. Thanks for watching Digits.